slug buggy. Make your tear ducts start to water, okay? Yeah. This one? I was looking at that one. I was like, you like a black Nostradamus. First one to cry loses. Somebody said that you're walking off with a car. Can you empty your pockets, please? You went in there to cry. He does that. You thought I was gonna stop? All right, y'all. Big Daniel, Import Life Media, and today getting ready to pull up to the Pomona swap meet. So they have the Pomona swap meet out here in the city of Pomona at the Pomona Fairgrounds, and this is where you can buy, sell cars. You can bargain, get parts that are hard to find. You're gonna see a lot of like old school trucks, classics. You're gonna see a little bit of everything, but this is just to try to get in. So yeah, so they take over the whole fairgrounds, but it should be dope. And I guarantee, I'm almost for sure I'm gonna run into some people. I don't know, man. Let's check it out and see what they're talking about. This one should be interesting. Bring you guys a little something different. All right, here we go. All right, y'all. Found parking. Check this out. But what's dope about this? Hey, look how beautiful this day is, man. Come on now, super clear. And it's crazy too because I park, get out my truck, walking in, I hear a big old train horn. And who do I see? That's right, you guessed it. Yeah, you remember Bigg Chuck, the one that likes to fart inside of my car?
Yeah, we can blow ass in this truck all we want.
With the windows up in the heat of the summer.
You're gonna smell something kind of crazy every time I get a chance.
Let it get stale so I can come back to it so that stench can punch me in the face.
You're welcome. It's healthy, it's healthy.
Oh, it's healthy, yeah. Open up my sinuses, huh? Make your tear ducts start to water, okay? Yeah. Anyway, we about to go up in here. It's Chuck's first time. Well, he has an idea because he's looking for a car to buy. I'm not gonna tell you what it is because I think he wants to keep that a surprise, but I guarantee he's probably not gonna walk out empty-handed.
Oh, so. For sure, I'm shoplifting for sure. I'm taking something.
After he gives them the money, it's always. All right, y'all, let's see what happens.
Slug bug.
Oh, dog, don't be slug bugging.
Nah, bro, slug bug.
Hey.
Another way.
Hey, we gonna start squabbling. Hey, slug bug. So it was either called you slug bug or punch buggy. Yeah. Hey, if you brought your son, yeah, you should have socked him. Just be like, this is how we grew up. This is what made you tough. Yeah, you're gonna always have to keep looking around from left to right because, but when we get deeper, we're gonna go down and then bust a right, and that's where all the roads are. But it's dope how they have it labeled because now you can see what cars you want to buy, sell, look at. Stop. And this food, like, first thing he saw was food. You know what I mean? Like, ooh. He's like, I just ate, but you know what? I could eat again. Damn. Everything is nice, man.
Food smell right now.
Hey, he's hungry? Hey, he's hungry, but that's also the look of a man that he's thinking about buying himself something, his son something, his girl something. He's over here window shopping, but he got that itch. He said if he finds an owner of something, he's like, shaking hands, buying it, don't care.
I'll shake somebody's hand before I leave. Get my hair ready.
Cool.
It's a little ashy though. But
Hey. in the hood. Yeah. Hey, that looks just like Trey's car. Trey, Boys in the Hood.
Driver, put your hands on the steering wheel.
So over here, man, they got cars, food, rockets, jets. Yeah, no, watch. This is exactly what I'm talking about. If you guys like what you see so far, hey, please hit that like and subscribe button, or do this, leave a comment. Hey, do you think that Chuck is gonna leave here with a car, some parts, or is it gonna be disappointed, leave empty-handed? Because he can't stop looking at everything. He has good taste though. Damn, that sounds bad.
Ate a lot of pineapples.
All right, y'all. Hey, is he gonna buy something? Let us know, man. Put it in the comment section. Hey, so as we're walking, we're just like cutting through certain lanes. We can't even go up and down to see everything. Like, this place is so big. I mean, I don't know if the guy said there's over 4,000 cars, or over 4,000 cars parking, or in here. But it's a lot. Hey, and this is just like the car park. We're gonna go inside to where they actually sell parts and bargains and hard to get items. So let's go up in there. I don't know, y'all. He ain't got nothing yet. He ain't got nothing yet.
It's all good.
It was funny, even if we got here early, it would have been so thick and congested that we would have been bumping into everybody, falling into people's cars. You brake, you buy. I don't want those problems. Negotiate those prices. I'm thinking about those Chevelles for sure, because they probably come out every weekend. They probably hit up yeah, exactly.
Sound like this, homie. You gotta make me look like in kindergarten, homie. Come on, big dog. I'm out here like this. Look at
I'm the camera act from this angle.
Yeah, fuck, give me a high five. You ain't lying, homie.
All good.
Y'all gotta have a blessed one.
For sure, you too.
Yeah, because I could hear that ugly sound.
I was like that right. Which one? Which one are you looking at? This one? I was looking at that one. Damn.
How much space in the back?
Hey, you don't have a purpose for a lot of stuff, but you find a purpose.
No, for sure. But that, I don't know.
So everybody comes out, brings their easy ups, brings their cars, but imagine pulling up. The swap meet starts at 5 in the morning, so you got to get here well before that. But imagine setting all this up. how much time this took. Unloading it, making sure nothing's damaged. And then whatever's not sold, you gotta load it right back up. What?
How did they get them here? Where's the truck at? Where the fuck, how did they get here?
Weather stripping $1 a foot.
Need for it. We could just buy a couple feet and come around it.
Because I know you could buy like whatever weather strip for the exact car, but if you could just get it cheaper and then just, you know what I mean? That's all it is. That might be a deal. $1 a foot?
I already placed it on the Elko.
That's for that event. Oh, okay.
Unless you want to get it and just hit each other with it.
So, all right, look, dog. I'm going to get 3 feet. You get 3 feet. First one to cry loses. Ready, go. It's just, you know what I'm saying? Somebody like, look at them. They're pretending to be slaves. Look at them.
Brings back memories.
You thought I was gonna stop? That was stupid.
Hey, I don't back down for a game of chicken.
He said, we both died. We both died. Chuck out here getting his steps in. Gonna have to call him Slim Jim by the end of the day.
Slim Jim sound good right now too.
Damn, he's
starving, bro. I haven't ate all day for a protein shake. I need to find a lady that just had a baby and she got milk. I'm cool with just milk.
wait. I need to find a lady who just had a baby who got some milk. He said, okay. And you stopped and looked around. Made me look around too. Like, I don't see anybody right now. Excuse me, ma'am, are you lactating? As of right now, we're on our way out, but your boy still empty-handed.
I'm shaking somebody's hand though. How you doing, man? How you doing? Nice to meet you. Told you.
So you like a black Nostradamus. You said you was gonna shake somebody's hand, and you did, man. Hey, what's in the future for me?
You don't want to know.
Oh, man. Damn. Hey, Chuck is not used to the sun. Hey, look at me.
Bro, I am dying.
He's getting red on. He red on.
Bro, look at this.
Ew. Hey, no, your cheeks is dumb red. Yeah. But your boy right here, you know what I'm saying? Me, hello. You know what I'm saying? Looking handsome, on point, always. You guys don't think so? No? Okay. Chuck, put that in your pocket.
Bad.
Somebody said that you're walking off with a car. Can you empty your pockets, please? Relative my homie Julian right here. But boy, look at these tires, man. Yeah. What's up with you, baby? Hell yeah. Got a nice whistle to it. What size are those rims?
30s and 28s.
30 by what?
By 12.
30 by 12s and 28s?
28.
Damn. Big boy toys. Man. He about to shake his hand. Chuck got really frustrated, and I don't know, he's weird. He said he's I'm a man, you my boy, don't judge me. I'm like, what's up? He looked worried. He was talking to me, and he was like, you're my boy, you know, been through a lot together. And I'm like looking at him like, what's up, dog? Like, he had this worried look in his face. He was like, I just don't want to cry in front of you. I'm like, why are you gonna cry? I don't know, I guess he was really upset because he didn't really find anything to buy, so he went in there to cry. Who does that? I know most men cry in the shower, but you gonna cry in somebody else's stank? Chuck, you're gonna find yourself something to buy one day, man. You don't take it personal. Your time wasn't out. And you know what? You will shake somebody's hand. Do it twice, all right? Good things are happening for you. Let me smell your hand.
Nice and clean. Look at that.
Like that. All right, we almost to the exit. We're almost to the exit. And then after that, we're gonna go get some food.
Bro, I am
So
2 shades darker. My credit score just dropped.
Andy's becoming delirious. All right, y'all, done with the event. Now me and Bigg Chuck getting ready to eat some food, call it a day, at least for the show. And I appreciate you guys, man. Make sure to like and subscribe. Appreciate you guys tapping in, tuning in. For those of you that said that Chuck would either leave with a car or leave with some parts, he was wrong. He left empty-handed. He did shake a couple hands, but he left empty-handed. You know, now the only thing he got in his hand is that big meat. Look.
I don't even want to eat it.
All right, well, don't judge me because look, I'm over here looking like a big back. Got 2 meals, you know what I mean? But anyway, man, follow me on IG at Import Life Media, TikTok, Import Life Media. Stay tuned always, because I'm always bringing something different. But be good to yourself, be good to others, stay blessed, get those cars built, and always end your day as good or as bad as your day may be with that big meat in front of yourself. Okay, that's it, I'm done. I'm done. Don't worry about my, well, you said
Penetration over your side.
he just said I got a lot of meats over here too. That's what, don't worry about my meat. All right, y'all, peace.